I don't know, but I think there's something about my twin sister. It makes me just love to travel with my twin sister. I mean, the other day I was on the road and a lot of vehicles were like passing and driving mad. I mean, like overtaking and undertaking, a whole line of traffic. This is just Jamaica on a typical day. I just love traveling with my twin sister. I mean, myself and my twin sister going on the road, and I mean, all waters will be part for my twin sister. I mean, for example, now today I am going on the road with my twin sister, and she said that she wants to do her hair and her nails and all that. So I said that I was gonna take her to do all that because since she's all that protective of me and her older brother. So in the car traveling, realize that this white car just pop in front of me and pop out. Taxi pop in and pop out. I get so upset. I get so upset, this is sir. I wanna tell you, I drive beside the car and I start cuss him out, bad too. And then all of a sudden he's like, he wind on the window and go like him bad and say, "Hey boy, who you chat to?" I don't know what happened, but it's like one look me give him. Well, I think I me give him a look, right? I tell you, my boy speed and going as if everything was just smooth. That's why, in Jamaica, it pays when you travel with your twin sister. Big up yourself, everybody. Catch you next time on Chronicles of FKJ. Join me next week for another episode, same time, same place. Peace out. Bye.